Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know again it has been a while and I'm sorry, but you have to admit when I do come back I always have something pretty special to show you all, and today's video is no different. It's another unboxing video. I do know most of my videos I have actually uploaded recently have been unboxings, and this one is no different. However, this is a bit more of a special unboxing because of this one is an unboxing of some equipment that I have actually wanted for my streams on Twitch, because I do streams on Twitch now, by the way, but I'll go into that in more detail in a minute. And it's something I've wanted for a while, and I finally got one. And one of the other reasons why I'm doing this video is because I really want to start using it, and I didn't want to start using it till I'd unboxed it. I'll most likely be using it on stream for a pretty long time before this video goes up, but we'll just have to see what happens. But anyway, as you probably saw from the intro to the video and also from the title as well of the video, I'm going to be unboxing today the Elgato Stream Deck. Now this one comes in like a different variety of sizes. It does also come in white, but I got the black one. Now this one I've got right here is a 15 key one. I just wanted a 15 key one just because I like to have the biggest and the best of everything if I could afford it. Luckily I got it given to me as a Christmas present, so I didn't actually buy this one. But yeah, if I just have a look at the packaging, so this is obviously the front of the packaging, and this is the back. It just tells you a bit more about how to set it up, etc. And on the side here is what comes inside it as well. It also has the specifications on the back as well, and also tells you what it works with. I'll obviously be using it with OBS, but it also does obviously work with Streamlabs if you use Streamlabs to stream. It works with Twitter and YouTube. We use YouTube to stream, and of course Twitch. Spotify works with Spotify. It works with the Corsair program. This is what my PC is anyway, so that's perfect. Works with hues. You can like control like things like hue lights and stuff like that. Of course it works with Elgato as well. So it is an Elgato product. Also, I don't know why I'm wearing my headphones. I do apologise for that. Carrying on anyway. I'll also be filming this from another angle as well, just so you can see in a bit better detail the packaging of the product. I like to do this every single time I do an unboxing, to be honest. That way you can see like a proper look at what the packaging looks like. So this is the front, and this is what comes inside. Obviously the Stream Deck, of course. There's a USB-C cable, obviously a quick start guide, and there's also a stand as well. It comes with the Elgato. And this is, like I said before, the icons of what it is compatible with. It also works with a Mac as well, which is brilliant. So if you have a Mac, there's technical specs. I don't know if you can read that properly, so if you can't, feel free to pause the video if you want to be able to read that at all. But yeah, there's everything that it works with. I don't know if you caught it properly earlier, so I thought I'd film it again just in case. At bare angle, that's what it's going to look like. That doesn't come with it. That microphone doesn't come with it. That's the Elgato Wave, I think it's called. It's a completely separate product, unfortunately. That's just to show what it will look like. You've got studio power at your fingertips. There's tactile control. Tap to stream, of course, switch scenes and more. Live media, trigger on-screen gifs and audio clips, instant engagement, tweet the perfect moment. Oh, okay, you can actually tweet when you go on live, for example, things like that. That's what it means by works to Twitter. That's quite cool. I apologise for the awful angle. This is the best I could do with the unboxing. But anyway, so I'm going to open it up from this side. I'll make sure I can still see it and what's happening in the camera. This bit could take me a while, so it always does. I think it just lifts up. Ah, here we go. It's opening up perfect. There we are. So here is the Stream Deck itself. Beautiful stuff. I'll put it here as well so you can see it that way too. It's a very happy Stream Deck. I'll quickly take this out. There we go. It's actually quite small. Obviously hasn't got the stand on it yet, obviously, but has a thing saying USB Type-C in the back. It's actually, I hope it's focusing. I think it is. There you go, it's better. So there's a Stream Deck there. Like I said earlier, it comes in it does also come in white as well, I believe, and it also comes in a different size. It's definitely a 6-key one, and the 6-key one is obviously smaller and cheaper as well. If you'd like to have a Stream Deck still, but can't afford the 15-key one, there is a smaller, cheaper version. There's a box here. I'm guessing in here is the USB-C cable. There's a cable in there. I don't know if you can see that. So here's a quick start guide. And this is obviously like for warranty and stuff like that. Again, nothing exciting. I just want to show you anyway. Sorry, my bad. The stand's actually here. This is the stand in here. I don't know if you can see it properly. But the Stream Deck came inside the stand. This bit's a stand here. So I'll try and get it out now. Here we go. Here's the stand. My bad. So it came in the box with the Stream Deck, not in that other thing. Quickly put the Stream Deck in the stand. There you go, nice and easy. It's in the stand now. Don't know if you actually caught that on camera, so I might do it again just in case. So here we go. So if I just do, here's the stand here. It just slots in like that. But I have to be very careful not to obviously tip it, because it will like off or back out again. I think that's actually it. So we'll have a box that will come with a USB cable and a quick start guide and a warranty as well. This has the stand inside and your Stream Deck, so it will come like this in the stand as well. I took it out of the stand by accident, so my bad, I apologise. But I wanted to show you what it looks like out of the stand as well, because I never actually seen one not in a stand before. And I will not be setting this up on video, I'm afraid, simply because, like I said, I'm quite dyspraxic and I don't really know how to set it up yet, and it could take me a long time to set it up properly. I don't really want to film the entire process because I feel like I'm going to look really, really stupid and embarrass myself, so I'd rather not film the setup process. If you would like to see the Stream Deck in action, because as soon as I've got it set up, I will actually be using it over on my Twitch channel, because that's what it's obviously been brought for. Then please do give me a follow over on Twitch at twitch.tv/ItsBecky.2. I'll put the link down below in the description so you can check out my channel if you'd like to. But yeah, I'm hoping to get this set up as soon as possible now that I've unboxed it, so I can start using it on my Twitch channel. But I have to admit, first impressions of this, I'd say 10 out of 10. I'm so excited to start using it. But anyway, that is the end of the video. Hope you found that somewhat informative. If you'd like to see more of my content, then whenever I decide to upload it, then please press the subscribe button down below as well as the bell button, notified when I do next upload. And if you want to see this, if you want to see the Stream Deck in action, then please do go over to twitch.tv/ItsBecky.2 to catch me live on Twitch for next go live. If you would like to see that, or just like to give me a follow on Twitch in general, that'd be so amazing to have you. And I'll be putting a link in the description down below as well if you want to check out my channel. And yeah, I hope you have a fantastic 2023. I won't say fantastic week or weekend. I don't know what day I'm going to upload this yet. So I'm just going to say have a fantastic 2023, and I hopefully will see you all very, very soon. Bye.